Nobody prepares you for this part of starting over. Not the new beginnings, not the fresh pages, but the unlearning, the slow, quiet, sometimes painful process of looking at everything you were taught, everything you believed, everything you held as truth, and asking, does this belong to me? I guess there is no one that told me starting over isn't just about doing new things. It was about stopping the old ones. Stopping the way I talked to myself. Stopping the version of success I borrowed from someone else. Stopping the silence I mistook for peace. Today, I want to talk about things I had to unlearn because honestly, some of them were started part of my journey. And if you're in a season of starting over, stay with me. Here I was just going to church. Hi, I'm Benitha or Benitha.K. Welcome back to my little corner of honesty and healing. If you're new here, I'm 23-year-old Rwandan girl, sharing my life raw and unfiltered. Growth, faith, the mess, and the beauty of becoming. Today's video is personal, and it's one I've been sitting with for a while because unlearning is quiet. It doesn't look like a grow up on outside, but it changes everything. Let's get into it. The first thing I had to unlearn was that the rest is something you earn. I grew up thinking, finish everything, then you can breathe. Do enough, then you deserve to be still. But I was always doing and still never felt like enough. Starting over taught me that the rest isn't reward, it's right. My body needed it, my spirit needed it, and honestly, some of my biggest breakthrough didn't come from hustling harder. They came from sitting quietly long enough to hear myself think.
I used to measure my value by my output. Did I post today? Did I study? Or did I do something productive? If the answer was no, I felt like I had failed, like I had wasted a day of existing. And that is it. Exhausting. And so it's also not true. And let me tell you, you're not a machine, you're a person. Your worth isn't in your content. It's not even your grades or your job or what made you happen today. Unlearning this one took me a long time ago. And honestly, I'm still in it. But I'm getting better at catching the thought and replacing it with I am enough simply because I exist, full stop. This one is a big one, especially I think for a lot of us who grew up in Africa. We were told, handle it, don't show people your struggle, play, and keep moving. And there is beauty in that resilience, truly. But there is also damage in silence. I spent so long pretending I was okay. To God, even like He didn't already know. Starting over meant I had to open my mouth. I had to say, I'm not okay, I need help, I can't do this alone. And when I did, things started moving. Vulnerability isn't weakness. In my experience, it's been one of the most powerful things I've done. Okay, this one really changed me. For a long time ago, I had this subconscious belief that God was more present when I was being good, when I was reading my Bible, praying constantly, doing everything right. then I could feel close to him. But when I was falling apart, when I was making mistakes or feeling far away, I thought I had to earn my way back. But that's not grace, that's performance. And God doesn't want my performance, He wants my presence. Starting over taught me that He was with me in the mess, in the crying at 2 a.m., in the season where I had no answers. He wasn't waiting for me to get it together. He was already there, and that shifted everything. Last one, and this might be the most important. When everything changed for me, I thought I had lost everything, like I was back at zero, like nothing counted anymore. But starting over doesn't mean starting from zero. It means starting from experience. Everything that I went through, the hard seasons, the lessons, the tears, none of that disappeared when things changed. It was with me and made me someone who knows things now, who feels things deep, who can sit with someone else in their pain and say, I understand.